5 seconds. Start. At the same time, this is also opposed by some people who say that it will not reduce the election expenditure and will be an additional burden on the government exchequer. In Europe, in some countries like Germany, France, and also in Japan, the state funding system has been successfully implemented, but in my opinion, instead of giving it in cash and it can be paid in kind. For example, in the form of voters' slips, elections propaganda material, posters, or public address system for election meetings. This again should be made available only to the recognized political parties. Sir, in our country, there are many social, cultural, economic, and geographical differences. The present system is not representing the people's wishes directly either in parliament or in the state assembly. Sometimes the party securing 40% votes is getting 70% seats, and sometimes the party securing 40% votes is not getting even 20% seats. We are witnessing this in many parliamentary elections and assembly elections. So the present system is defective. Therefore, in my opinion, the system of proportional representation would be a better alternative. Of course, this system also has its own advantages and disadvantages. We have to consider the advantages as well as the disadvantages of this system. Under this system, one argument is that coalition government will come to power and there will be instability either in the center or in the states, and the leadership of the political parties becomes arbitrary and dictatorial. But what I want to say is that the party presently in power under the present system does not enjoy majority in parliament, both in the 9th Lok Sabha elections and the 10th Lok Sabha elections. Majority party did not come to power. We cannot come to the conclusion that coalition government will be a failure and will not be stable because in West Bengal coalition government is continuing and is stable. So I think that proportional representation system would be suitable for the country. Sir, elections are being held throughout the year in one state or the other. My suggestion is that elections should be held only once in 5 years, either in the beginning of the year or in February or in March for Lok Sabha, state assemblies, etc. should be held simultaneously, which would reduce the expenditure of government, candidates, and parties and prevent rigging and booth capturing also. Often it so happens that rigging and booth capturing takes place in the later part of the day, leading to clashes. In order to avoid this, identity cards should be issued